Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the Swift key type and that you have a CR2032 battery. This matters because cell shape and contact placement depend on it. Once ready, hold the fob with buttons down and use a small flathead or plastic pry at the seam. Apply gentle, even pressure to avoid cracking plastic. You do this now so contacts remain intact and you'll see the battery immediately. Make sure fingers are clean to prevent oil on contacts. Next, you remove the old battery while noting its orientation. Most Swift keys place the plus sign up. Look for markings to confirm. Use a plastic tool or your fingernail to lift the cell away from the contact rather than a metal screwdriver to reduce short risk. Once the new CR2032 is placed, press it gently until it clicks or feels seated. Make sure the spring or contact clip returns to hold the cell firmly, because a loose battery causes intermittent signal loss. Finally, you realign the two halves and press them together, starting at the hinges and working toward the seam so the clip engages evenly. Forcing one side first can warp the case. Once closed, test the functions at about 1 to 2 meters. Lock, unlock, and any panic or remote start buttons. If the key fails, make sure the battery orientation is correct, contacts are clean and spring-loaded, and try a brand new CR2032. These checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.